Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cole. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, hey girl, hey. Today I'm gonna be showing you all how I achieve this super cute lock bob. First product I use is this Minty Fresh Hydrating Mist from Nema Naturals. And I love it because it has aloe vera gel in it, so it's super hydrating. And then I just seal in that moisture with the Crown Elixir, and do not mind this bottle, the label has went through hell and back. But yeah, so this is the Crown Elixir from Nema Naturals as well. I use that to seal in that hydration to keep my hair nice and shiny. Then I go in with aloe vera gel. This isn't the one that I typically use. I will link the one that I normally use down below so you can grab it. Final product is my edge control, the Edge Booster by Style Factor. Make sure you check that description box. All products will be linked down below. And you're also gonna need lots of rubber bands. And for those who don't know how to retwist their hair just yet, but you would love to achieve this style, I do have a retwist video. It's super easy. I break down the whole process of how you can learn how to retwist your own hair on your own time. And I will also link that below, and I'll place it up here so you can go ahead and click out of this video and go ahead and watch the lock retwist video, then come back over here and learn how to do this style. So I was gonna do like a sit down and y'all just kind of watch me do my hair, but I'm gonna really give y'all the nitty gritty and how to achieve this perfect lock knot bob look. And it's super simple, especially if you watch my lock retwist video. But if you are not a stickler about having straight parts, girl, do not sweat, just keep watching. So I started off on, my hair isn't that dirty, but like I do love to do styles on clean, fresh hair, so I definitely would recommend starting off on freshly washed hair. But right now I am just hydrating my hair with that aloe vera mist and the Crown Elixir hair oil, and I'm just giving that a good little run through before I start to part my hair. For those of you wondering, how can you see the back of your head, girl? Like, how you getting your part so straight without being able to see back there? I will link a 3-way mirror that you can hang on your door, so it makes it way easier to part your hair and way easier for you to style your hair in the back. Right now I'm not using the 3-way mirror because of filming purposes. I just don't have a door behind me, but yeah, I'll make sure I link everything down below. So if you all have any more questions, let me know. Now that that row of my hair is parted, I like to go in and just make sure that each lock has a pair of its own, just so I know how each lock knot is going to lay. And I love using aloe vera as my retwisting gel just because it is water soluble, so it doesn't flake up and it doesn't cause a lot of buildup, so that's another reason. Now that you have retwisted that row, just go ahead and combine each of the pairs by 2-strand twisting them all the way down. And at the end of each twist, I do like to secure it with a rubber band. And I like doing this because sometimes when I'm tired of the bob, I could just take out the rubber band that's securing that bob and wear my hair in 2-strand twists for a little bit. Then you want to just keep twisting all the way down and then add that rubber band. So now that everything is 2-strand twisted, we are going to align that twist with our desired bob length, and I like to fold it up and then twist the remaining hair downwards. And then I'll secure that with a rubber band. Okay, but y'all see how I ate down? Yeah, this looks so neat and so like fresh. This style is not super tight. Here are some close-up videos of how I keep my hair nice and tight at the root, if you're struggling with that, girl. So as you know, if you are retwisting properly, your hair is most likely retwisted to the right. So you want to make sure you are keeping that twist going to the left when you are combining those two. So let's watch this again. Y'all see I crisscross to the left and then twist all the way down. So I just put the twist on the right hand side over to the left hand side, and that's how I keep my roots nice and tight while I'm twisting downwards. All right, and that is the final look. As y'all can see, this bob eats. It's giving chic, and it's fall season, so you know the girls are eating up the bob looks, and I'm just here to let y'all know that locks can be versatile and that we don't gotta miss out on bob season, baby. If you enjoyed this video or found this video super helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment what y'all want to see in my next video. Mwah. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Been so lost without you.